Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook on stainless steel. First, always preheat your empty stainless steel pan over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the metal to expand, creating a smoother surface. To check if it's ready, perform the water test. Add a few drops of water. If they form dancing beads, your pan has reached the ideal temperature, typically between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to the Leidenfrost effect. Once your pan is properly preheated, it's time for the oil. Add a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or canola, ensuring it thinly coats the entire bottom surface. Wait until the oil shimmers, but doesn't smoke, before adding your ingredients. A crucial tip for preventing sticking is to bring your food to room temperature and pat it thoroughly dry. This helps maintain the pan's heat and promotes an even sear. Patience is key when cooking on stainless steel. Resist the urge to move your food immediately. It will naturally release from the pan once a beautiful crust has formed. After cooking, don't discard those flavorful brown bits, known as fond. Deglaze your pan with a liquid like wine or broth to create a delicious pan sauce. Stainless steel is perfect for this technique, as it allows fond to develop, enhancing your dish's flavor and making cleanup easier. Proper cleaning ensures your stainless steel cookware lasts for years. Always let your pan cool completely before washing to prevent warping. For daily cleaning, warm water, mild dish soap, and a soft sponge are usually sufficient. For tougher messes, like burnt-on food or discoloration, a paste of baking soda and water or a solution of vinegar can work wonders. Remember to dry your pan thoroughly to avoid water spots and maintain its shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.